The next speaker would be Mr. Prakash from the DGAQA. He is speaking on National Accreditation System. Mr. Prakash is a Master of Engineering in Computer Science and graduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering. He has assumed the charge of OIC AQA Chennai on 23rd April 2021. Chennai is coming under purview of ADG and RD Bangalore. He has joined government service in 19th April 2001 at DGLL Ministry of Shipping Chennai. Through UPSC joined in DGQA at SQAE Ordnance Factory Medak, and subsequently through UPSC joined DAQAS service in DGAQA on 29th April 2015 as SSO 11 at Bangalore. He has vast QA experience in LCA, AF, MKI, LCA, AF, MKIA, LCA, AF, MK2, AMCA, HJT36, HTT40, Kiran UAV, conversion in various design and development projects, LRUs of aviation projects. At present, he is handling SWIR CR3 projects of LUH and LCH at BEL Chennai, and also handling various projects such as PAR, aviation LRUs, and aviation tires for various projects, and IDEX project in Chennai. He has received DGAQA Commendation Award 2020 for contribution of critical QA inputs for indigenization of actuator projects of LCA. The floor is yours.
Thank you. Yeah, please don't. Good evening to all. So DGAQA, Directorate General of Aeronautical Quality Assurance. This organization also similar to DGQA, sister concern only. Airborne stores related items we are giving the coverage. So Technical Airworthiness Authority, DGAQA and Semilac. So we are providing coverage for the airborne stores, air ammunitions, and ground support equipments. We are providing coverage for all DPSUs, MSMEs, IDES project. So being a defense corridor area, Defense Ministry has approved this office from 2021. We are residing inside Bharat Electronics, Nandambakam. So our stall number is 182. So I will quickly run through. Most of the things are similar to DGQA only. So are already covered. So I will run. If any doubt is there, you can ask directly in stall number 182. So change in the pattern of arms procurement. So banning the import defense systems by the Defense Ministry. Now the trends has been changed. So for that trending areas, we are changing the patterns. We are giving the coverage product, process and management side. Product side we are giving through quality assurance plans. Process we are controlling through quality audit, and managements we are controlling through AFQMS, approved firm quality management system. This is our style of work in DGAQA. So fast growing domestic defense ecosystems, military industrial complexes, high productivity needs with lesser scrap, world class quality requirement. This is all we are covering. So this is our mission. Transform the perfect mechanism of DGAQA's regulatory functions so that all those involved do the right thing first time and every time. Vision to create and sustain an environment of mutual trust and self-control amongst the various agencies involved in development and production of aviation products for stores. Developmental activities with the control of Semilac. We are supporting in the qualification testing process in production with the control of DGAQA. This is our roles and functions. So we are coming under DDP, MOD. Then I already told that quality assurance plans we are covering that process, and during active advisory role during the design and development by providing critical inputs through formulation of qualification test plan, participation and coordination of all inspection, testing, ground and trials, while final clearance is given by Semilac. Design and development given by the Semilac. Final acceptance and inspection authority during the production, repair, overhaul and upgradation of military aviation stores at various defense refineries of self-procurement. Technical agencies for providing support to armed forces and production agencies. Nodal agencies for MASCA and SSQAG. This is our functions. We are giving technical evaluation, field evaluation trials and contract negotiation, quality assurance plans. These are JRI, PDA and grant of approval to main contractor, aviation test house and QA lab approval also we are giving. Quality assurance coverage during the design and development and production, indigenization and inspection and final acceptance including import. So these are the functions it is continuing in the aircraft areas, life extension area, GSC and TTG area. So participates in the joint quality audits, capacity assessments and third party inspection, product certification, issue AQA directives. These are all our functions. So we are involving the various activities through this chart, these DGAQA stages and final acceptance, AFQMS, registration of forms, audit and surveillances and technical support. So we are interacting with various agencies, DRDO, DPSU, PSU, oil refineries, private sectors, and this is Indian Air Force, Army Aviation, Naval Aviation, Coast Guard and other organizations, DGCA, DGQA, DGNAI, Semilac and Directorate of Standardization and Bureau of Indian Standard. These are our spectrum: aeronautics, air armaments and missiles we are providing coverage. So governing domains of quality and reliability, overall quality of design and manufacturing, maintenance and repair overall. So we are giving the coverage for tier 1 and controlling the tier 2, tier 3 through AFKMS systems. So main contractors usually Hindustan Aeronautical Limited and Bharat Electronics Limited and other DPSUs who are all coming and forward for the MSMEs. MSMEs directly, if they are supplying to the Air Forces, the inspection agency is default the DGAQA. So QA methodologies, how we are controlling direct inspection and indirect inspection, joint inspections, PDA and JRI, self-control, DGAQA periodic audits, and we are giving the self-certification, the mode of that quality reliability rating. Based on the rating, if they are qualified, we will give the awarding the self-control, the self-certification. Involvement of critical stages and final clearances in the HAL and well through the quality assurance plans we are controlling. The all inspection stages from initial to final products. QA executions, we are executing the QA execution through spot checks and surveillance checks and quality audits, system quality audits, product improvement based on analysis of defect reported and user feedback, life extensions, upgradation and modification activities, that is also our role. So we are giving that coverage based on product, process and systems. Product, so we are controlling through the inspection activities, re-verification stages and based on the feedback from that observations we are reducing our stages. And process we are controlling through spot checks and quality audits. Systems we are using for the AFKMS audit and for product, process and system audits. DGAQA certification and approval process similar to the DGAQA organization. Registration of form you can apply to our headquarters. The tech code is there, our website, all the informations are available. You can go through that and you can apply for that. In any airborne supplying to the Air Forces, you can apply and get it done. So registration of form is mandatory. For any MOD organization is given the registration form certificate, it is valid to all MSMEs. In airborne nature, you can approach DGAQA. So approval of firms AFKMS certification. After getting the certification, you can get it in endorsed the approved firm quality management system for reduction of quality assurance plan stages. Quality our involvement we can restrict our involvement if you get the AFKMS certificate. So approval of QA plan and acceptance procedures, certification of airborne stores, certification of grounds handling system, ground supporting equipment. These are all our roles. Quality audit and surveillance we are doing at every quarter based on the requirements. Quality rating of the forms we are analyzing and we are giving the self certifications, and product QA certification for export promotions. So registration of forms already are covered. The same similar scenario only here. So we are giving the category design and development and production category, development and production and maintenance, repair and overall, special category OEM authorized dealer and agents. So eligibility, so 2 years of experience in the industry of similar category of the items. So vendor, all the forms are available in our website, DGAQA website, you can visit. Make in India category it is available. Registration fees is MSMEs and startups 10,000 rupees, large scale industries 25,000. So registration certificate, document scrutiny and assessment by the committee formed by the headquarter DGAQA, general registration within 90 days of receipt of documents from intending vendor, certificate issued by headquarter DGAQA. So formats are given in the website. Validity of certification for a period of 5 years. Renewal of registration is valid for 5 years. So AFKMS approved firm quality management system. We are that management we are controlling through that AFKMS, that is the governing document. QA coverage through the system. If you get the AFKMS approval, so we are restricting our stages. So we are minimizing our stages. So nowadays 3 categories of items are there: critical, safety critical, and flight critical, and non-critical items. So we are giving more stringent coverage for the flight critical systems only. Mission critical systems we are restricting through the AFKMS systems. Non-critical systems totally we are 90% we are giving to the vendor. You once get the AFKMS documentation, critical stages only we are involving. This document incorporate the requirement of latest AS 9100 and additional requirement identified by the DGAQA. Then audit of the firm for existence of the effective quality management system and other infrastructure for the scope of activities. Re-verification critical stages during the course of production related activities. Component and assembly stages at LRE level. This is all coming under AFKMS. Once get the firm awarded AFKMS certification, our stages are like that. So our governing documents are AFKMS issue 2 and DDP was under revision. Thus now and it is coming under IMAP, Indian Military Airworthiness Procedure 2023. It is going to release by the Ministry of Defence. So there everything it is covered. That is the Bible document for the DGAQA. So IMTAR and IMTAR everything it is going to review, and that is called IMAP 2023. So AQ directives issued by DGAQA from time to time. Now recently also we have issued that remote inspection. We are giving the coverage through remote inspection also. We are restricting our stages. So we are following the document of MIL standard JS Funda 5 JSC 7552001. So production phase QA documents. So these are the documents record: contract and SQR, service qualitative requirements, supply order, technical specification, production certificate, drawings, bill of material and drawings, master quality assurance plans, and ATP. Environmental specification. Environmental specification will vary project to project and called EMAP. System integration document, QA clearance certificate, and finally iNote. So we are providing world-class quality based on QR and specs, standard and documents, operational, environmental safety aspects, transportation, storage and handling, qualification, reliability testing, skill test, material part process facility, inspection testing and audits, repair, recovery, support, spares and accessories, counterfeit and obsolescence management. Conclusion. So 21st century is going to be known as the quality century, and the yardstick To measure this will be the level of commitment to quality by any nation. Under Atmanirbhar mission, Indian defence sector has already initiated a well-poised move to enter and compete with global manufacturing market, for which unparalleled quality standard is the need. Self-compliance to the regulatory and statutory requirement is going to be the criteria for survival in future. DGAQA is working on transformational aspects on quality regulatory function to develop a world-class quality culture in the country's military aviation, so that the industry do the right thing first time and every time. So I conclude my speech with this. Thank you. If any doubt is there, you can contact me on stall number 182.